the Voice News. I am Palak with you. COVID cases. Less than 50,000 COVID cases for the 6th consecutive days. Less than 1,000 deaths on the second day. Corona active cases in the country are still more than on 4 lakhs. After Brazil, the highest number of COVID cases in the world are being registered in India every day. The COVID crisis in India is not over yet. Every day about 50,000 new cases are coming. However, since 27 June, less than 50,000 new COVID cases are being registered continuously. According to the latest data of the Ministry of Health, 44,111 new COVID cases were reported in the last 24 hours and 738 infected people have lost their lives. At the same time, 57,477 people have also been cured of COVID in the last 24 hours. That is 14,104 active cases have been reduced yesterday. Total corona cases 3 crore 5 lakh 2,362. Total discharge 2 crore 96 lakh 5,779. Total active cases 4 lakh 95,533. Total death 4 lakh 1,050. For the 51st consecutive day in the country, there have been more recovery rate than new cases of COVID infections. Till July 3, 34 crore 50 lakh corona vaccine doses have been given across the country. Corona situation in some countries. Only one case of death from corona was reported in Uttar Pradesh on Friday, and 133 new patients of infections were found in the state. So far, 22,616 people have died. 43 new cases of infections were reported in Madhya Pradesh, and this the total number of people found infected with this virus in the state so far reached 7,89,887. 76 new cases were reported in Rajasthan on Friday, while 7 more people died due to this deadly infection in the state during this period. There are 676 new cases of infection in Mumbai, while 27 people have died due to the infections. At the same time, 546 patients have been discharged from the hospital. So far, a total number of 7,23,555 people have been confirmed infections in the city. The death rate from COVID in the country is 1.31%, while the recovery rate is more than 97%. Active cases are less than 2%. India ranks the third in the world in terms of COVID cases. India also ranks second in terms of the total number of infections. Whereas in the world, after America, Brazil has the highest number of deaths in India. If you're watching on Facebook, then follow this page. If you're watching on YouTube, then like, subscribe and share. And don't forget to press bell icon. Thank you.